on today, guys? Welcome back. We are back in the shop. As you can see, we are back working on the lift. We were working on it late last night, trying to get this thing wrapped up. We've got a little bit of work left to do, and then we can finally put a truck on here, get this thing up, recheck everything. So as you can see, we got the arms on. We've kind of got the hydraulic pump and the fluid on there, got the lines ran. We really have to finish up some electrical work. We've got to tighten and adjust the cables, fill up some fluid. We got some, high quality anti-wear hydraulic fluid here, getting ready to go in. And then we are going to pull in the 08. The 08's probably going to be the first one on the rack here. And then we are also going to finish up the 08. So I'm really trying my best to not go squirrel scatterbrain like I want to go work on the Peterbilt, but it's better just to, I want to completely check off the box on the lift being done, ready to use. And then the 08 is so close that I feel like we're gonna put it up on the rack, wrap up some exhaust stuff, do all of the miscellaneous. That way I can drive that thing and then check that off the list as well. So just kind of continuing to try and check things off the list instead of bouncing around. So lift is first on the list. The lift is first on the list. We also have a ton of P.O. box stuff that I need to open up, show you guys some new parts that have come in. Renegade Cleaning Products always taking care of us. We got a package from them. So anyway, let's get this day started and hopefully we can check off maybe 2 things off the list today. Yeah, that could have been bad. Look, good thing we cleared it. Yeah, we set this lift here perfectly so that we knew that the rams were gonna go up higher than the top of that. Well, I guess you'd never go up that high with a truck, but I guess with a car you might. All right, there she is in all of her glory. We have installed the lift. We are ready to pull a truck on here. So got the whole system bled out. I believe everything is good. Everything should be good, right? Famous last words. So checked everything out, ran it up and down a couple times. All we really have left is to put the cover on the cable stops there, but everything seems to be good. Didn't show you guys before, but the plates that Kyle cut out for us worked absolutely perfect. So we've got this thing true leveled up to the floor. So we feel very, very confident with what we did there. And yeah, we're ready to pull the truck on here and never look back. I'm so scared. Look at all this room for activities. Oh, this is beautiful. Check it out, guys. She is on the lift. Woo-hoo. Man, looking good. I thought I'd never see the day. Man, she gets up there just high enough. You can walk around there, barely got to duck your head down. She's good. Man, oh man. All right, so we're gonna torque the bolts on the floor. Probably one more time, but man, she's up there and she's good. Oh man, oh man. It's definitely a little, Greg's gotta get used to this. Oh man, I am not used to this. It's gonna take me a little while, but she's up there. She's sturdy, she's good. Woohoo! Alrighty guys, I am so pumped about this. I've been walking around the shop the last couple minutes, just kind of like taking it all in. We have done so much work in our previously without a lift, and not to say that you need a lift for any of it. I mean, 4 or 5 years, 6 years, I mean, ever since we started working on stuff, it's been on the ground, clutches, fuel tanks, and I'm just like walking around and it's just kind of slowly like coming to me of, you know, dropping fuel tanks out, clutches, transmissions, just everything off of the ground. And it's just kind of cool to me because not only will it be easier on my body, not kind of crawling around, it'll be easier access, but it's kind of funny, like we always talk about, hey, I want to try and make the content as good as I can for you guys, like updating camera equipment, better lighting. You know, lighting is important. We'll have to kind of do some lighting adjustments. Obviously there's a couple little dark areas underneath there, but you know, talks about putting some lights on here, shining up, and also some lighting right here, but also the quality of what I can show you guys really up close and personal will be 10 times better now with a lift, showing you guys little details of everything. It's super exciting to me. It feels like we've worked really hard to get to the point where we can have a lift. So it's just really cool. So with doing so, where we place this right here a little bit back, it's really not that intrusive to kind of get stuff around it towards there, but what it does for if we pull vehicles up in the front, kind of like how it is right now, it gives us this nice spot right here when we clean all of this crap out. We could actually build a nice workbench, something right here, you know, get these outlets, put some lights right here, and even when we're working on trucks, under the hood on the ground, right here will be a cool area. So we're gonna make this really cool area. We got a big American flag. Top of that, we did a little welding under the truck on the exhaust here, got that pretty much buttoned up. So I got just 1 or 2 more things that I'm going to button up after this video goes up, and we should be driving the 08 on the street tomorrow. You know, we kind of just stayed on it for the last couple videos, just trying to get it done. Instead of bouncing around, like just trying to stay on one thing, get it done. So like I said, like lift is now completely checked off the list. The 08 completely checked off the list. So we can use it, we can enjoy it. So look forward to that, guys. Before we close out this video, I'm gonna put the truck down, which it's just, you know, I'm just getting used to it, you know, like for people who use them every day, it's no big deal, but when you install it yourself, when it's in your own shop, I don't know, it's gonna take a little while getting used to just being comfortable with everything. But we've got a ton of stuff that came in the P.O. box that I wanna open up really quickly for you guys. So let's do that. Let's put the truck down, we'll open up some things. Alright guys, guys, it has been a little while since we did any sort of mail time here. The P.O. box, the new P.O. box is down in the description if you want to send anything. But anyway, we're gonna move through some mail time here. First up, over here in this big box, I'm not sure how much you can and cannot see, our friends over at Piedmont Peterbilt, the North Carolina Peterbilt dealership that we have been visiting quite frequently for random things. Our guy Mike over there helps us out tremendously. He hooked us up. We got a couple new Piedmont Peterbilt t-shirts. Say that 3 times fast. Anyway, we got another new airbag to match the other airbag that he sent us. So we needed one to match the other one. And then also, big score of the day, we have got some new mirrors. New mirrors without the reflective in right here, just not my style, but these are the Moto mirrors. These actually have the gray whip here for all the power, the heat, all that kind of stuff. So these are really, really nice just without the light. So again, huge thank you to our guys over there, always taking care of us. I'm still working on them to get us to go down there and get that cut off so we can stretch the piece. But anyway, next up is a box care package from the guys over at Renegade Products. You guys know we love Renegade. A lot of you guys have reached out to me and said, hey, I got this stuff. You told me that it was good. And everyone, I have not seen one single person reach out to me that said, hey, this really wasn't what I thought. Everybody loves this stuff. My discount code is in the bio. This is some of their new stuff. Let's try and see what we got here. Got deep wet carnauba cream. So some wax. We got some multi-surface shine. Almost dropped her. Multi-surface shine. This is what I've actually been meaning to reach out to them for me reach out to them so they can send me some of this stuff, because you guys have tried some of this stuff. This Rebel red metal polish. I have seen a lot of you guys give me before and afters of this stuff. Like one of the guys we used to work with, Joel, sent me a couple pictures. A snowmobile aluminum trailer, just with some hand rubbing, came up like super, super good. So this might actually come in handy, because we might be getting a set of forged wheels that may be polished, that maybe need to be gone over. So I'm super excited to try that. So glass cleaner, multi-surface shine, and some carnauba wax here. So we'll try all that stuff out. Good thing, this thing, the 08, has not been washed in, we're going on at least a year. Darren Jones, North Carolina. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Looks like some plugs. Let's read the note here. Hey, Greg and Allie, I sent you a set of sealed dummy plugs for Allie's truck since you deleted the rear water separator. These should keep water and debris out of the connectors. Love the channel. Darren, I'll put his Instagram name up here. Next up here, Christian, I'm not going to try to pronounce your last name, Christian P. from California. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, this is, these are the harnesses. Dun, 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 dun. These are note. It's a note that says note. All right, so these are actually the headlight conversion harness to run the new projector style headlights. You can see kind of the quad beam plugs into the main projector one. So our man Christian over there, he had these laying around from an older truck build. We need them for Allie's truck. So these will significantly help with that. So thank you, Christian, I appreciate that. And then this one is from Josh Blackwell. Let's see what we got here. Oh, all right. That's kind of funny. Now we're gonna have American flag on every corner of this shop. Let me read his note here. Greg, been a follower of the channel for a while now. Allie wasn't even pregnant yet, nor did you have the first gen when I started following you. I have a 4th gen myself, lost a few parts along the way. Throughout the years, you have taught me so much and given me the confidence to dive more into the mechanics of the diesel world. My end goal is 700 horsepower. I've always been mechanically inclined. I used to get in trouble all the time for taking things apart to figure out how they work. I was a helicopter mechanic during my time in the Navy. Thank you very much for your service. After my military career, I ended up getting into contracting. Please accept this gift as a token of my appreciation. A big thank you for all the help and knowledge that you passed along. The This flag was flown during my last deployment overseas in one of our aircraft. Sorry it took so long to get to you. I got stuck in Iraq due to all the COVID crap going on in the world. Thank you again for everything. Josh Blackwell, thank you very much, Josh. Man, I really appreciate that. I love this stuff. That's the, you know, we got the box. Oh, there we go. I'm pointing the wrong way. We got the box over there with every single one of your guys' patches and everything that you guys send me, all the military stuff. I love that. I support you guys. I love that stuff. So 82nd Aviation Regiment. It's got my name on it, everything, got the certificate. I love that stuff, man. I appreciate that. Like I said, I've got, I think, 2 or 3 flags that, again, one of them is going to go right there. Maybe we'll just do 2 right there. I don't know, but we got plenty of room, and the new shop will have plenty of room to put a couple flags in there too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. The next video will be driving the truck, I promise. But just trying to, each and every day, just it's one of those things. I say it all the time, guys. If you want to get a lot of stuff done, it's just daily. It's just get what you can done, get out there, get some stuff done. Even if it's 1 or 2 things off of a huge, massive list, you'll feel accomplished, you'll feel better, you'll roll into the next day ready to take over, and you'll get it done. So set a goal today, lift 08, and we are pretty much ready to rock tomorrow to drive this thing. So can't wait to use the new shop equipment. So we actually down here as well, our buddy Seth dropped off a trans jack that he had. So we have got a trans jack to go with our new lift. Again, Silent Mike's dually sitting out there. He's got the transmission rebuilt, ready to go, and we'll probably give him a hand. And that's pretty much it. Oh, my goodness, I keep forgetting. Guys, I just want to give you guys a huge thank you. Huge thank you to anyone and everyone that supports the channel, supports what we're doing, and also the last Wrenchworks launch with the roll cart. We will have a winner for the roll cart very soon, and I will announce that. Just a huge thank you to everyone who participated in that. It was huge. It was awesome. I know we have a lot of room to improve on getting your guys' stuff quicker. It is going to be top priority in the next launch, which this is not the point of what I'm saying here, but November 1st, we are going to be relaunching winter, fall, all of the cold weather stuff, and a much bigger, a much badder giveaway as well with that. But again, huge thank you to all the support, all you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys rock. It is just truly awesome. You guys loved the tool cart, the roll cart. We'll have a winner soon. We gave away an air dog. We gave away ratchets. We gave away all sorts of stuff in that 1 month, and this upcoming one, November 1st through the end of November, right in time for Christmas. You guys will have all of your Christmas gifts and stuff like that before Christmas, and we will have a winner before Christmas of the new giveaway, which is going to be super cool. Like, anyway, I'm rambling at this point, but anyway, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. Hit the like button before you leave. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. See ya.